The word assessment often invokes a negative connotation and causes fear among students. Lack of self-confidence and pressure to excel creates exam stress. Children as well as parents face this stress because of the fear of performance and of the results.
When you add water into it, sometimes I feel even I am writing papers with my son. Exam season is so stressful.
Have some milk, no?
Please, Mama,
Have
no.
it, Baba. My child doesn't even eat or sleep properly during her exams. And results? It's even scarier.
The ancient temple was built. Bye.
Bye, beta. I used to be so afraid of exam when I was a student. And now, I see my daughter feels the same. What's the solution?
I don't even know what my kid is doing in his classes. I get no feedback on his progress until I get a report card. Is he even learning anything? Exams are just another part of learning. It is there to help students to overcome their learning gaps. It is simple, but kids fear it too much.
What is the solution?
What is the solution? What is the solution?
What's the solution?
What's the solution then?
The solution is Next Assessment, a comprehensive assessment management solution designed for students from pre-KG to grade 12, which personalizes learning as per the individual abilities of students. It not only eliminates the exam fear among students, but also acts as a smart tool to help them identify their learning gaps and improve their performance. Hence, Next Assessment serves the true purpose of exams. Do you want to know how? Let's take a look. It provides various assessments for students so that they can practice, revise, and become exam ready. This is not all. Students can take up tests anywhere, anytime on platforms such as iOS, Windows, and Android. Students no longer need to search for n number of question banks to practice. Next Assessment comes with a rich library of over 540,000 curated questions and more getting added each day. Next Assessment provides both static as well as adaptive tests to ensure personalized learning. Adaptive tests automatically generate questions on topics that are either more difficult or easy based on the students' responses to previous questions. With detailed reports from Next Assessment, students can identify their learning gaps and take the necessary steps to improve their performance. Through the Next Assessment platform, parents can see how well their child has performed academically and where do they stand at the national level. Parents are continuously updated on their child's progress in class. They also get instant homework notifications and updates if any assignment is due for submission.
So, who knows the value of X? Our school has opted for Next Assessments and we are seeing a positive change among our students. With this solution, students get a vast array of questions to practice, revise, and retain different topics. Students can recognize their self-learning zones and knowledge states. Students get personalized feedback which shows them the area that need improvements. Parents are more involved in their child's academics with the help of constant feedback. Thanks to Next Education for having all the solutions for our academic challenges.
Next Education India Private Limited is working to bring a systematic change in Indian education through blending education with technology. With the help of new age technological innovations, it ventures to provide a 360-degree academic and administrative support to the K-12 sector. The organization aims to deliver the most effective curricula with the right blend of technology, pedagogy, and content. To know more about Next Assessment, contact us at 1800 8200 5566. You can also write to us at info@nexteducation.in.